Okay guys, I'm gonna do a mini natural hair series because I've been wearing my natural hair for the past 2 months, which I've never done before, but I've been enjoying it. So today we're gonna do a middle part slick back bun. Here I am a bit frustrated because you know what it's like when you're trying to get that middle part and you're just not getting it. Like I had to just come off camera and go do it in the mirror. Okay, middle part is done. So I leave my edges out because I want to have some baby hairs. I was just playing around with this style. Usually I would slick my whole entire head and not play around with baby hairs, but I thought let's experiment, let's try something new, something different. My hair is blow dried, by the way. That's also something that's different. Usually when I'm doing a slick style, it's on wet hair because I just feel like the gel meshes well with it, especially as it's a water-based gel. But I was like, I blow dried my hair a week prior. So I was like, let me just see how well my hair responds to gel when it's blow dried. So here I am applying the Eco Styler Argan Oil Gel. Something as well that's new. We're trying a lot of new things in this video, like experimentation. So yeah, I apply an okay amount. As you can see, I didn't really apply that much. I mainly applied it at the top of my hair because that's the most important part. And I also just don't want loads of gel in my hair because one, it's not good for your hair. Two, eventually it becomes uncomfortable. And three, it's just unnecessary. So yeah, I also start to brush the product through with my Denman brush. That allows it to distribute a bit more easily and evenly. So yeah, you can apply more as needed. Most likely at the front, you'll need to apply more. Some people do the whole splitting their hair in half and then tying half of the hair with a ponytail and then tying the other half of the hair just so that the ponytail is flatter. But I do that sometimes, but I don't know, with this style I didn't think it was necessary, and two, it would have been quite difficult to do because I have a middle part. So yeah, I didn't do that. I just kind of did it as one. So I now go in with a slick brush and again just use it to sort of mold my hair, get it as flat as possible. At this point, it's still just that little tiny bit of Eco Styler. Could I have put more? Maybe. But yeah, I don't like putting too much gel in my hair. And also, I'm not sure if you guys can see, but the gel has started to revert my hair back to curly. Meaning that, yeah, that's the result, I guess, of doing it on blow-dried hair. Your hair is just going to revert back to curly because it is a water-based gel. Okay, so this is where the molding process comes in. So I'll go back in with my Denman brush. I brush it, you know, to the position that I'm going to tie it with my hairband. Rouge. As you can see, I'm just kind of shape it and get it to the right tightness level. I do tend to tie my ponytails quite tight, if I'm going to be honest with you guys. I know you're not meant to do that, but I do that. Because if I don't, it's going to just be a huge hump at the top of my head. So this ponytail actually wasn't really that tight. You guys can even see it wasn't really that tight. And I purposely left the front of my hair unslicked because, like I said, I wanted to do the whole baby hair thing. Whereas usually I'll just slick the whole thing back, which is easier. But when you got half of it not slicked and the other bit of it slicked, it's kind of difficult to, yeah. Anyway, so yeah, just carry on shaping it, molding it, you know, brushing it with the Denman brush. Then I go ahead and use a very thin hair straightener to straighten my baby hairs and just create some cute curls. I do this every once in a while. I don't do it often because if I did, I would have no more edges. So I like to do this because it just allows the baby hairs to just look a bit more sleeker. I like having that sort of like curl with the slick look, if that makes sense. I'll just straighten it out a little bit. Not too much, not too much. We don't want too much heat on our hair. Right, edge control time. I use the Keratin Extra Hold Gel. This is like my go-to. Sometimes I even slick with my hair with just that product. And a little goes a very long way with this product. Like, it is so good, especially for type 4 hair. Like, yeah, it keeps my hair slick all day long, all night long. The only time it sort of like reverts or doesn't work is if I'm in the steam room or sauna. Yeah, when I'm in the steam room or sauna, yeah, my hair goes back to natural. Okay, so I apply a bit of the edge control on a fine tooth comb, and this is really good for helping get that very slick look. So I basically brush that into the base of the hair, and as you can see, it's creating such a nice slick look. And I didn't even use a lot. I used that tiny bit. If you guys saw, I used a very small amount. So as you can see, the sides of my hair have slicked really well. The top is a bit more wavy. But I guess it's because that part of my hair, the crown, is a lot thicker. So yeah, that's probably why. And I also, as you guys saw, didn't really put that much product on the top of my hair. So yeah, go back, brush it, slick it, repeat. Get it to your desired sleekness. I don't need my hair to be mad slick. Like, that's not important for me. I just want it to be flat and not bulky and look cute. That's about it. So I go in again with another hairband because doing all of that manipulation has obviously loosened the hair a bit. I won't lie though, guys. When I put this hairband in, yeah, the tightness was it was a lot. Ignore my kitchen. In fact, don't ignore it. That's my hair. And you know what? If it wasn't for this video, I would leave my house like that. But for the sake of avoiding people saying, you need to do something to the back of your hair, I think I just, in the end, I put a bit of product at the back and brushed it. But me, I don't care. I will go out like that. Like, who's seeing the back of my head? Not me. I go in with my chunky scrunchie, which always brings the hairstyle together, makes it look super cute. And this is the finished look, guys. It's just simple, it's straight to the point. I didn't use a lot of product, as you guys saw. Had I used more product, had I maybe sort of like tied the hair in 2 sections, would it be flatter? Of course, but I don't really care that much. It's flat enough for me. So yeah, my edges look cute. The style's cute, it's simple. I wear this style to the gym to run errands. It takes me 5 minutes. I know this video is 9 or 10 minutes long, but that's because, you know, I'm demonstrating everything to you guys. But yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And also let me know what other natural hair videos you want me to do. Rouge.